actions over Germany during World War II involved Blenheims, albeit long-nosed Mark IVs, rather than this short-nosed Mark I version. On the day war broke out, aircraft flying from RAF Whitton near Huntingdon, a single example flown on a reconnaissance sortie by Flying Officer McPherson, was the first aircraft to overfly Germany after the start of the war. The very next day, 2 squadrons of Blenheims from Wattisham in Suffolk conducted the first raid by Bomber Command of the whole war, attacking the German fleet in their port at Wilhelmshaven. In front of us, and they were in service from bases here during the Battle of Britain. The Army Corporation underneath the 2 Lysanders, the aircraft restoration.